Morning.
You're the agronomist for Rob Atkin.
That's right. Yeah.
What are you growing here?
So we've got spring barley going in here. You can see it's white and they've been spread in lime to adjust the pH, bring the pH back up. The soil was slightly acidic, which inhibits root growth, inhibits take up the nutrients. So we've added some lime to bring the pH back up to a more neutral pH. Help the new crop get hold of the nutrition better, and then we've just got tractors here breaking down ground. See, this is quite big, heavy clods after a hard winter and loads of
just kick a few clods.
loads of rain.
Up.
So he's bashed it down over here now with the power harrow. Create a bit of a seed bed, improve seed to soil contact, and hopefully get the spring barley away to a good start.
Yeah. Is it molten barley?
I think it'll be feed barley.
Will it? Yeah.
It's getting quite late for spring barley, so we'll put most of the nutrition into the seed bed, get it off to a good start, and try and get it rolled, and try and keep in as much moisture as possible. Although we've had a really wet time, the structure of the soil's gone, so they're likely to dry out quite quickly. So the last thing we want is for it to go in, get away, and then run out of moisture. In what will probably end up being a dry spell at some point, because the average rainfall will come back to bite.